Hello, how is everyone? Hope everyone is fine. Today our topic is for the TikTok campaign, TikTok ads, TikTok advertising. How to create a effective TikTok campaign, best TikTok that provide that best TikTok campaign result. Okay. I am using a TikTok agency account. Okay. TikTok agency. What is TikTok agency account? Let's clear in this topic. TikTok agency account is that agency account that you can use and target all over the world in one account. If you know a little bit about TikTok ads manager, then you know when you create a TikTok ads manager your own self, then TikTok provides you in just some countries. Okay, TikTok allow you to create in just some countries like European countries and Dubai and famous countries where TikTok allow you to create a TikTok ads manager. And when you create a TikTok ads manager, then in the TikTok ads manager, TikTok only allow you to target your own country and your and others closest countries. Okay, TikTok don't allow TikTok ads. TikTok don't allow in TikTok ads manager to target all over the world. For example, if you create a TikTok ads manager for UAE and US, so you don't target Saudi Arabia. Okay, if you create for Saudi Arabia, then you don't target in the TikTok campaigns in UAE and US. Okay, if you want to target all over the world, then you need a TikTok agency account. For TikTok agency account, how to create a TikTok agency account? For create TikTok agency account, there are two or three uh, agencies that provide TikTok agency account. There are different their rates, monthly rates, and there are different their charges. Okay, let I will uh, I will mention you. Let I will show you which TikTok agency account is best. Which TikTok agency account is best for number one is Ecomd Media. Ecomd Media. Okay, Ecomd Media. Here's one website for the comedy media, and the second one is Mega Digital, Mega Digital, this one, and the third one is Byte Media, Byte Media. This second one, okay, green color. The second one, Byte Media, and there are more, but the name not come in my mind. There are so more, but this is the famous three agency accounts provider. Okay, first one is Economy Media. This agency has a 14 days free trial and monthly charges and also top up charges. Okay, and the second one is Mega Digital. There is no monthly charges, only Mega Digital have top up charges. Okay, the third one is Byte Media. Byte Media just pay you first time charges for the agency, and their agency account is free for the uh, whole lifetime. Okay, just one time pay. So these are the three agency account you can use for creating ads campaign. Okay, so this is a general video about what is TikTok agency account, what is TikTok ads manager. Okay, this is a TikTok ads manager whose I am open, and for clicking at a payment option, I have now $2.87 because I am use my remaining dollar and just remain $2.87, and for adding payment into agency account, just click on the payment. Some agency account don't allow you to add payment, so you Mega don't allow you to direct add top up into this account, so you need their help. Send payment to them, then they add a payment into them. Okay. For economy media provide you their website login admin panel, where you directly access TikTok as manager. You add payment into their website you own, and you can add from their website to add manager automatically. Okay. So you don't need person here. And also Byte Media, from Byte Media you can add payment through a card. Okay. They provide you link. So these are the general things which about. For creating ad, you can also click here campaign, and you can also click here create an ad. When you click on the create an ad, then different campaigns come where you can select your on your targeted campaign, and you can run campaign as per your demand. Okay. You can check your total today spending, your total cost, your total impression today, your clicks, your conversions, and you can also check your ad group status, how many ads active, how many your ad disapproved, and how many ads not running due to the out of budget, and how many of your ads did not perform well, underperforming. Okay. These are the basic things. And let me show you also their business center. For business center, click on the this back box. You can go into business center. In this business center, this is the Mega Digital Agency account. So I am unable to add a direct payment into this account. So you need a member here, Mega Digital member, to add payment into this account. Okay. This is a business center where you have members. This advertiser account access, catalog, shows, pixel, asset groups, TikTok accounts, and setting. This is the business center, and this is their ads manager. Hope you got the basic knowledge about TikTok ads manager and TikTok agency account. Okay. So in the next video we will discuss how to run TikTok ads manager campaigns. We will discuss in some videos one by one TikTok ads campaign. So keep in touch with us by subscribing our YouTube channel. So take care of yourself. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.